Hey guys, welcome to Raksha's kitchen. Let us see how to make classic chicken soup. Let us see the ingredients. We need some boneless, skinless chicken breast, chicken broth, chopped celery leaves, olive oil, chopped celery, chopped onion, chopped carrot, bay leaves, garlic, salt and pepper. Heat a pot and add olive oil. Add chopped chicken breast pieces. Sear the chicken on both sides till it turns brownish. Once it is slightly cooked, flip the chicken pieces to the other side. You may also add whole chicken breast. Remove the chicken pieces and keep it aside after it is slightly browned on both sides. Add onion in the same pot and saute till onion turns pinkish. Add garlic and saute till garlic turns aromatic. Next step is to add the vegetables. Add the chopped carrot and chopped celery. Cook till all the vegetables turn tender. Now add the chicken breast pieces to the pot. Add chicken broth or vegetable stock or water, 2 bay leaves, salt and pepper, and mix well. Let the soup start boiling. After the soup starts boiling, cover the pot and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes on medium to low heat. Open the pot and one by one remove all the chicken breast pieces from the soup. Transfer the chicken pieces on a plate and using a pair of fork, shred the chicken into thin pieces. This soup is also known as classic homemade chicken soup. I have not added noodles or pasta in this soup. You may add if you feel like adding it. Add the shredded chicken to the soup. Mix nicely. Add chopped celery leaves and mix well. Switch off the heat after the soup starts boiling again. Soothing and comforting, classic chicken soup is ready. Serve it with some nice crusty bread. You can have it for lunch or dinner. You can have it anytime whenever you feel like having something warm. Looks delicious, right? If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.